say we're going to teach you how to ride a pit bike. This is a 50cc dirt cave. See? Pit bike. P-I-T-B-I something fuck that. Well, when you start a pit bike, first you have the arms out, legs out, oh fuck. Well, forget all that shit. What I say, fuck that. What you want to do is, you want to have your arms and your legs here, like that, on both on one side. Just to make sure that your bike's nice and stable. Then on the other side, get around here, fool, is you want to have your foot, your starter here. Just give it a couple of taps in. Straight up, fool. What a lot of people don't know is that before you start, you got to spin your tires. Okay, well, before you start a race, you must start spinning the back tire. So rev it slightly while holding the brake on, then kick it in the first. And that's how you start the race. As you see, a lot of people don't know is that how to pull a wheelie. You gotta hold the front brake on, and then just give it all you got. Because if you don't have that, you're fucked. And people say a lot of shit. Well, I say, fuck that.
Weirdo.
Because you've got to learn, fucking flat, how to get that front wheel up without falling off. Okay, hold the front brake on, and then, okay, allow me to demonstrate one more time, okay? Okay, now we're going to teach you how to go around the corner with the backhand tail whip. Now I'm going to demonstrate.
Okay.
Son of a bitch. Damn that son of a bitch. Damn, son of a bitch. Damn that son of a bitch.
You can stop saying that now.
Man. Damn these 4 strokes. They don't work no more. Sometime later. Okay then, folks. This bit of shit will start. Okay then, these 4 strokes don't work no more. Okay then, there's that son of a bitch. Oh, before you start the race, people say you should have your arms up, standing up before the race, before you kick it in the first. But I say, fuck that. What you want to do is you want to have a nice comfy ass on the seat like, put the camera this way, folks. And then you want to rev and slide in the front. And then you want to slide in the second. So it gets that nice jerky food effect, you know, dildo style. But what a lot of people don't know is before pulling wheelers, it doesn't matter whether to stand up or sit down.
Come on then, hurry up.
What people say is that they have to stand up most of the time. Well, I say, fuck that. Do freestyle.
Probably missed that.
And that's it for today, folks. Well, the rest is, fuck that.